Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Xiaomi AW300 to phone. If you want to connect your camera Xiaomi AW300 to your phone, then you will need to follow some steps. This product has been connected to Mi Home, which can be controlled through the Mi Home app and is interconnected with other products. Download and install the latest version of the Mi Home app. Then turn on the power and wait for the orange indicator to flash after the device is turned on. If the indicator status is abnormal, please press and hold the reset button to reset. Key hold for more than 10 seconds until the orange light flashes. There is a tone reset successful. Starting please wait later, wait for the connection. After open the home page of the Mi Home app, click plus minus scan or add device method in the upper right corner of the page. Scan the QR code of the camera body and connect the camera according to the app prompts. The camera is connected successfully and the indicator light is solid blue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.